Hey, hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this project, I will just show you this home automation system with controlling this mobile app board, and we controlling this all this light. The bulb will be on, and when I clicking this off button, the bulb will be off. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification first. I will publish this more than 200 video in my YouTube channel, and I will publish this article in our website www.justelectronics.com.
Just do electronics. All about electronics.
To designing this project, we need this few components. First one is this NodeMCU microcontroller board, 4 channel relay module. This one is the circuit diagram. I use this ESP8266 microcontroller board. I mean this NodeMCU, and I just connected this 4 channel relay module to this 5 volt D1, D2, and D5, D6 pin number, and ground will be connected to this ground. Input side we given this 12 volt or 9 volt or 5 volt any power supply, but in this output side you connected your AC source directly to this relay module. Phase will be all phase will be connected to this one direction, and the neutral will be connected to this relay through. I connect this 4 bulb. Okay, make proper hardware with PVC box. Now I put all this hardware, I mean this component, in this PVC box, and I will design it. It is so much wiring connection in this box, but if you have this knowledge, then you check this website. I will providing how you design this proper PVC box, and I will attach this NodeMCU microcontroller board, relay module, and this 5 volt external power supply. And I use this two-way switch in this board, and this one is the 4 LED bulb I used to demonstrate of this project. Now I connect this bulb to this plug. Okay, now set up this Blynk app. First go to this web dashboard and click this and select this proper 4 switch, and go to this setting, edit this switch name is the light 1, and create data stream. Choose this virtual pin is the V0 and save it. Go to this switch 2 setting, change this switch name is the light 2, create data stream, choose virtual pin is the V1 and save it. Go to this switch 3, change this name light 3, let create data stream, go to this virtual pin and save it. Go to this switch 4, change this name is the light 4, create data stream, choose virtual pin V3 and save it, and save and apply it. Click it, go to this devices and open this app. Now set up this Blynk app in mobile. In this mobile you just download this Blynk app with the Play Store, and you just select this 4 switches. Just select this proper data stream, I mean this light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4, and you just save it. Now the app will be ready. Okay, let's see this code. First you install this few library. The relay module will be connected to this pin number D1, D2, D3 and D4, and here is this Blynk token ID is the very important to paste this proper token ID. This one is the username and password, and here is the switch 1 will be connected to this V0, and the switch 2 will be connected to this V1, switch 3 will be connected to this V2, and switch 4 will be connected to this V4. This one is the void setup function is defining this input and output devices. In this void loop is the only Blynk run will be ready. Now go to this tool, select this proper board, go to this ESP32 board, select this node MCU 1.0 and select this proper board and hit this uploading button. Now see this working of this project. First we turn on the system. I test this relay module. When I clicking this on button, the relay first will be on, the relay second will be on, the relay third will be on, and the relay 4 will be on. Relay module working on this mobile app as well as this web server is working perfectly. Now I test this real time. First we given this AC sources, and I just click this on button, the bulb will be on, and when I clicking this off button, the bulb will be off, and you on and off the bulb with the help of this switch through also. Okay, here I just published this article. I will providing all this information to related to this project, like introduction part, bill of material, components working, circuit diagram, code, video explanation. I will providing all the things. If you want, then please check out the link available in this video description. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.